The time is here to try Maven Beauty. Whoa. As you can see, she has a middle part that looks really weird. But watch, I promise when I'm all said and done, I'm gonna look. But yeah, I unboxed Fashion Nova's new beauty line yesterday, so I am just tickled shitless. I wanted to just get my hands into it and try it out. So that's what we're gonna do today. Alright, I hope the lighting is okay. I feel like I could be a lot brighter. How's that? Wow. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Can we not eat some of that though? I don't want you to do that, so thanks. Let's see if she listens. You guys just, yeah, you can watch her, you can watch me, you can just listen to the music and let it be. Let it be. Alright. I'm gonna play some music by myself. Alright. And you know me. I may or may not leave the playlist down below. I'm just joking. Meaning like the playlist that I listen to privately. I'll always share with you guys the music I use with you. So, yeah. Happy December. 30 more days of 2020. We thought it'd never end. I don't think it ever will. I think we're stuck. I'm just joking. We're never stuck. We're never stuck. Alright, so I'm just gonna get started. And, have fun watching me. Or her, whichever one.
It could all be so simple, but you'd rather make it hard. Loving you is like a battle, and we both end up with scars. Tell me who I have to be to get some reciprocity. No one loves you more than me. No one ever will. Is this just a silly game that forces you to act this way? Forces you to scream my name, then pretend that you can't stay. Tell me who I have to be to get some reciprocity. 'Cause no one loves you more than me, and no one ever will. No matter how I think we grow, you always seem to let me know that it ain't working. It ain't working. No, it ain't working. It ain't working. And when I try to walk away, you'd hurt yourself to make me stay. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. I keep letting you back in. How can I explain myself? As painful as this thing has been, I just can't be with no one else. See, I know what we've gotta do. You let go, no, let go too. 'Cause no one's hurt me more than you. No one ever will. No matter how I think we grow, you always seem to let me know it ain't working. It ain't working. Oh, it ain't working. It ain't working. And when I tried to walk away, you'd hurt yourself to make me stay. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. Care for me, I know you care for me, there for me, there for me. Said you'd be there for me, cry for me, cry for me. You said you'd die for me, give to me, give to me. Why won't you live for me, care for me, care for me? I know you care for me, there for me, there for me. Said you'd be there for me, cry for me, cry for me. You said you'd die for me, give to me, give to me. Why won't you live, cry, give.
Now, I apologize severely for the noise of my heater, but I wanted to share something. It might not necessarily be like the last podcast. My last one was more of an idea with an open-ended discussion, but this one was kind of just my thoughts. But anyway, speaking of my thoughts, I don't write my thoughts down anymore, and I believe it's starting to impact me in a variety of ways. I guess it's never too late to start. 2019. A year of utter and what would thought to be impossible change is about to occur within days of transformation, says the generation of self-help and self-proclaimed spiritual gurus. I want to seek a real plan, a real means of living. Less music, expand your mind, more reading, more listening, see with your eyes, not your mouth, blah, blah, blah. Remember, is it the voice or the message? Different voices can give the same message, but not every voice will carry the same message. I haven't felt myself in years, and I've been picking myself apart like the hairs off of a stupid piece of corn. I've been digging into an already opened wound, just searching for a miracle. Looking at myself humorously instead of confidently. I hold myself, I do not carry. That in itself shows me I am on nothing but autopilot. Almost like getting high just to make the notion of living an automatic life come across normal. Not even that, but simply manageable. Let's say to tolerate. It's sad, but it's honesty. This year needs to be a year with no deception, with no spiritual or self-defeat nor lies. But my mind literally feels blank and numb. Sometimes I wonder where the voices went or if they're still there and I just stopped noticing that I was talking to them. Like we forget the paint on the walls or the toothpaste on the side of our mouth in the morning. Until we stop and evaluate the senses, nothing seems wrong. Then again, nothing seems wrong looking into a glass fishbowl. It's the fish who sees the issue, not the onlooker. I feel like that's the issue with many. Now, I may be making a pessimistic assumption, but it would seem appropriate to make apparent that the typical reality most individuals possess and experience is simply on autopilot. The lights are on, although the mind, it vacated months, years ago. It wandered out into an open abyss, a shield as thick as a toothpick. The wooden toothpick my dad used to pick burnt pieces of toast from his teeth at frickin' 2 o'clock in the morning. A mentality as mendable and flexible as a thin piece of clay, a scope and outlook on the world as that of a lonely widower. My eyes, they're so tired and they're so hurt, they're so drained. But then I remember the drain upstairs in the bathroom that's been running for weeks on autopilot. Sometimes I wonder if I sat in the tub, would I eventually dissipate, roll down the drain like morning mist on a honeysuckle, disappear like the night previously washed away from the very tap water I drink. I know it's confusing, but like the fish in a glass bowl, our minds must feel the same way.